Hi, Ask Accessible Adam here. I'm actually in my own bathroom in Studio City, California. I want to show you about a great product we've been carrying for a long time. It's called a weighted shower curtain. Here we have it installed in our bathtub. There's actually weights going into the bottom of it. Two typical sizes is 72 wide by 72 high. And our most popular colors are the beige, which we call tan, and the white. Another popular size that we carry in stock is 42 by 72 high. It's 42 wide by 72 high. It's a great product. Keeps the water from coming out. If you're using it with the collapsible water retainer, it butts up against the inside of the collapsible water retainer. Keeps the water from giving you additional protection from the water from going outside the shower, so it keeps the water in the shower. But it's a heavy-duty shower that's vinyl and awesome product. So, Ask Accessible Adam signing off.